Hey everyone, it's Justin Dobson with the Comfort Corner, brought to you by Comf Energy. Today in Virginia, it's cold and people are using their heat, and this time of year, people will complain about dry skin, static electricity, and other things that are caused by dry air. Why is that? Well, most of the homes in Northern Virginia are heated by central air conditioning systems that move air, central air conditioning systems. Anytime you're moving air, you're drying out the air. So people will go and buy a humidifier to add humidity to this air during the wintertime. Sometimes that works and sometimes it does not. If you've got a humidifier and that's not keeping your house as humid as you would like, it may very well be because the air in the house is leaking out. Things move from more to less, so if you have more humidity in this home, as it leaks out to get to the less, what happens is you lose all that humidity. So one of the things we do at Comf Energy is air seal and insulate homes to help keep that humidity inside the house to make you more comfortable. Everything that we do here at Comf Energy increases the comfort, energy efficiency, and indoor air quality of your home. If you have a humidifier and not satisfied with the results of it, give us a call at 800-604-2252. We would love to set up a free evaluation for you today.